Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Twitter account permanently. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Twitter app. Then you want to click on the top left corner where you see your profile icon. When you're on your profile, you want to go ahead and head to the lowest point of the menu, which is settings and support. You want to click on settings and support, and then you want to click on settings and privacy. When you're at settings and privacy, you want to click on your account. The menu that you're currently seeing is the last step of the process. You want to head to the last option, which is deactivate your account. You want to click on this option and you will have the option to deactivate your account. What this will actually do. When you click deactivate account, which is right over here on the last step, simply you will have 30 days to change your mind. You will have 30 days to go back, log in and recover the account. If you don't do so, your account will simply be deleted. Your handle will be deleted. All the information will be deleted. All the subscriptions that you have currently with Twitter will be automatically cancelled. This is very important. Also, if you really want to download your data, everything that tweeted, retweeted, likes, all the content that you shared or utilized on the platform, you need to request this information prior deactivation of the account. Look what is the actual message from Twitter. If you want to download your X data, you will need to complete both the requests for download process before deactivating your account. Links to download your data cannot be sent to deactivated account. This means that if you really want to deactivate the account, but you want to keep some data, you need to act fast. You have to let them know that you want your data. Then you have to wait probably a couple of days. I don't know how long could it take them. But after you receive the data, then you can actually deactivate your account. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.